Ladies and gentlemen, gamers and creators, welcome. Today I'm excited to introduce one of the most advanced gaming laptops of 2025, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10, a 16-inch gaming powerhouse. If you've ever dreamed of owning a laptop that combines desktop-level performance, cutting-edge AI acceleration, stunning OLED visuals, and gamer-first design, then stay with me, because in the next few minutes, we're going deep into every feature of this monster machine. By the end, you'll see exactly why the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 deserves a place in your hands. At the heart of the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is the brand new Intel Ultra 9 275HX processor. This isn't just another CPU, it's a 24-core, 24-thread beast with 8 performance cores that can clock up to 5.4 GHz and 16 efficiency cores that still boost as high as 4.6 GHz. With 36 megabytes of cache, this processor is engineered for elite gaming, heavy multitasking, video editing, 3D rendering, and AI workloads. Whether you're running the latest AAA titles or juggling multiple demanding applications, the Ultra 9 275HX delivers seamless power and responsiveness. Pairing perfectly with the CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, equipped with 16 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory. This isn't just about raw graphics, it's about next-gen performance. Boost clock speeds of 2287 MHz, a massive 175-watt total graphics power, and most importantly, 1,334 AI TOPS for real-time ray tracing, DLSS frame generation, and AI-driven graphics optimization. What does this mean for you? It means buttery smooth 4K gaming, triple-digit FPS at ultra settings, and incredible realism in every frame. From Cyberpunk 2077 to competitive shooters, this GPU ensures you're always ahead. Of course, raw performance needs the right support. That's why the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 comes with 32 GB of DDR5 memory clocked at 6,400 megatransfers per second. This isn't just fast, it's lightning fast, ensuring you can run multiple demanding programs, stream, game, and create without ever hitting a bottleneck. For storage, you get a 1TB PCIe Gen5 SSD. This next-gen drive delivers blistering speeds, near-instant boot times, ultra-fast game loading, and seamless file transfers. Now let's talk about one of the highlights of the 16-inch WQXGA OLED display. This panel is simply breathtaking. Resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. 240 Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth motion, HDR 1000 True Black certification for deep contrasts and vivid colors, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut for creators who demand accuracy, and 500 nits brightness, making it perfect for any lighting environment. On top of that, Lenovo has integrated low blue light technology to reduce eye strain, so you can game or work for hours without fatigue. This isn't just a screen, it's a cinematic experience. The Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 doesn't just perform, it looks and feels like a premium gaming machine. With a sleek black chassis, durable build, and aggressive Legion styling, this laptop screams performance. The per-key RGB backlit keyboard allows you to customize every key's lighting to match your game, mood, or setup. Combine that with a responsive touchpad and immersive speakers, and you have a machine built to dominate. For communication and streaming, you'll love the 5-megapixel camera paired with dual microphones. Whether you're streaming live on Twitch or hopping into a Zoom call, you'll always look sharp and sound crystal clear. And with the privacy shutter, you control when the camera is on. To fuel all this raw power, Lenovo includes a 400-watt slim-tip adapter. This ensures the CPU and GPU can run at full throttle without compromise. And with Lenovo's proven cooling solutions, the laptop balances performance and temperature intelligently, keeping you in the game longer. Every Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 comes with 1 year of Legion Ultimate support. That means direct access to gaming specialists, fast troubleshooting, and peace of mind that your investment is always protected. So, let's recap. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is more than just a laptop. It's powered by the Intel Ultra 9 275HX processor, fueled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, equipped with 16 GB GDDR7 memory, backed by 32 GB DDR5 RAM and 1 TB Gen 5 SSD storage, and brought to life with a 16-inch OLED WQXGA 240Hz HDR display. This is a machine designed for serious gamers, streamers, and creators who demand the absolute best. If you want to experience next-level gaming, blazing performance, and stunning visuals, the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is waiting for you. Don't wait. Contact us today, drop a comment below, or click the link to secure your Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10. Elevate your game, elevate your work, elevate your life. Reference link below, description. Thank you.